Hey everyone, welcome back to HandiWorks. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of Picot stitch. This stitch is so versatile and can create some truly stunning floral designs. I'll be showing you how to create 4 unique flowers, each with its own special charm. For our first flower, we're going for 6 petals. I've lightly drawn lines to divide the circle into 6 sections. We'll secure the fabric in our embroidery hoop. I'm using my handy hoop stand to keep everything stable and comfortable while I stitch. See how I'm pinning 4 little dot pins to mark the first petal. This keeps my picots nice and even. We'll do this for all 6 petals. I'm using this gorgeous pink embroidery floss and a tapestry needle. Don't pull your thread too tight. You want your picot stitch to have a little bit of a relaxed, almost 3D effect. Now that our petals are done, let's add a French knot to the center. This adds a beautiful touch of detail. For our second flower, we're switching things up with 8 petals and this lovely shade of brown floss. We're going back to 6 petals, but with a twist. We're using this vibrant purple thread and adding a cast-on stitch along the edge of each petal. If you're new to cast on stitch, don't worry. It's easier than it looks. Just take it slow and practice on a scrap piece of fabric first. For our final flower, we're going with 8 petals again, but this time in a bright and cheerful orange. See how each flower has its own unique personality? And there you have it, 4 beautiful picot stitch flowers, each with its own unique charm. These are so easy and elegant, and the possibilities are endless. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more embroidery inspiration. And be sure to share your beautiful picot stitch creations with me in the comments below. Happy stitching!